Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use COUNTIF in LibreOffice Calc to calculate the total number of pass and fail results in this case. So I have a list of name, students, their mark and their result. So anyone that got 50 or over 50 they passed and the one below that failed. Now we want to know how many passed and how many failed. So here in this cell I'm going to put a formula. So you can just copy and paste it. So we started the COUNTIF and from C2 the pass and C26 is the last cell. We'll just wrote pass. So anyone with pass will be counted. Okay, so we see that we have 15 pass. So we want to do the total fail too. Let's copy and paste the same one, but in this case just write fail. So you'll see like we have 15 students that passed and 10 that failed. In total we have 25 students and 15 of them passed and 10 failed. So this is how you check the COUNTIF in LibreOffice Calc. You can use it for other types of calculations too. And if you have any questions, please leave them on the comment section below, and also subscribe to our channel and also like the video please. Thanks a lot.